Hey besties, and thank you so much for joining today's video. I hope everyone is having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my Sephora haul. I feel like I haven't done a Sephora haul in a minute, and you guys, we did a little bit of damage. We spent like $300, which I had no idea that's how much I spent. But it is. I want to say I also did get some discounts because they did like the Sephora Rouge sale, which gave me 20% off. But I mean, 20% off $300, that's still a lot. So if you guys like Sephora hauls, which I know a lot of you guys do, definitely keep watching. Just putting it out there, y'all might see me get a little angry or twitch. There's this fly that's like running around, or I guess flying around the room, and it's not giving me any respect for my boundaries. Like literally, if you're gonna come in and out, that's fine. I have the window open. I don't like to kill bugs if I don't have to, so I'm trying to let it go out, but like it's not, and it just keeps coming in front of the camera and buzz in my ear, and I'm just kind of like, respect me. Like if you're gonna be in here in my space, respect me and my space. Let's go ahead and start the video. This is the magical box. I have some hair care in there, and then of course makeup. Let's start with the makeup and do the hair care at the end. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the makeup I'm wearing on my face, or if you're interested in any of the products in this haul, I will link that down below, and I'll also pop right here my TikTok and maybe my Instagram if you guys want to go hang out over there. I also want to say, you guys, my face is kind of like pilling down here by my chin, and I know exactly why. I tried to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer again today and also yesterday, and I just feel like whenever I use that product, my makeup has issues no matter what foundation that I'm using with it. I'm not sure if I'm using too much or what's going on there, but again, I really do prefer the e.l.f. Hydro, and I also do prefer the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. I just wanted to update you guys on that. I just don't think the Milk Hydro Grip is anywhere as good as those two, and they're so much more affordable. So jumping into the first product, this is the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga Atomic Shake Lip Lacquer. This is what the packaging looks like. This baby is not something I thought I would love as much as I do. It's $26, and this one is called Red Coral Shine, which is like a very bright, intense, delicious shade that I honestly didn't want initially. I think I wanted like the pinky one, of course, because it's a little bit more wearable, and you guys know sometimes I have a hard time going outside what is very comfortable for me when it comes to makeup. But this product is stunning. Not only is the color beautiful, but the quality of the products is just as beautiful. You guys know I hate when companies market a product incorrectly. It drives me insane, because just tell the truth, you know, don't say it's transfer proof if it's not transfer proof. I just can't stand stuff like that, because there's just no need for it. But this is transfer proof. So you put it on the lips, you let it sit for about 15 seconds without letting the lips touch, and then when you go to kiss the back of your hand or drink drinks or whatever, it does not freaking transfer. Like actually, there's a video on my TikTok of me trying this out and testing it if you guys want to see that. I also will say I can do a video on YouTube of it for you as well. I think I actually have a short of this as well, like me just reposting that TikTok on here as I do sometimes. So this is amazing. I want all the shades. I want them to come out with even more shades, because imagine having like your perfect nude lip not transfer, not budge. That would just be so amazing. I do want to do a wear test on it, and if I didn't already say, this product is $26, but to me, my opinion, it's worth every single penny, so I love this. Then I got a concealer from Sephora's Sephora collection. This is the Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I want to say they also have a foundation that goes with this, but I'm not 100% sure. I want to say I'm like 90% sure. I've heard really great things about that product, and I know from experience their blushes are so amazing and for a really affordable price point, especially when you're thinking about prices at Sephora anyway. This concealer is actually $15, and it's supposed to be full coverage and very multi-use and give that natural under eye look. So I'm so excited about it. We'll see what the finish looks like. If you guys want, want a wear test video on this, just let me know, but I'm very excited and I think the packaging again looks really nice. Oh, and if you're curious, I got this shade 04 Neutral, but again, since I haven't tried the product yet, I can't like recommend that to you. I hope it fits me. Let me do a little swatch. Let's see when you blend it out. Guys, this is just a side note. I'm so obsessed with the Brazilian Crush sprays. I know they just came out with like 3 summer shades maybe like a few months ago, and I really want those too, but I haven't had a chance to smell them in person. So if you guys have smelled all 3 of those, or 4, I think there's 3 though that they just dropped, let me know in the comments down below if you recommend them and which summer fragrances that you do like. If you only like 1 or 2, just let me know please, because I don't have a Sephora that's really close by me, so usually I do have to order, so please just let me know in the comments down below. And the next product, I have like a love-hate relationship with it. I love it because it makes my skin look so healthy and delicious. It feels so lightweight on the skin too, and it just does enough to even out some of my redness, but also just make me look so healthy and dewy. And then on the other side, I hate it because it's like $42, which is insane for a skin tint, but you guys, I really like this. It's the Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint in the shade 2, and this is what the outer box looks like, and this is the inside, so it has like that white and black aesthetic. If you have blemishes or something like that, it is not going to cover that for you at all. It's just gonna do enough for those no makeup days, but I really do enjoy it. I cannot stop wearing it. I wore it for the first time like last week, and I have been obsessed ever since. I just can't get over the fact that this was $42. I know some people won't be able to get their hands on this one, but if you are able to and you're looking into getting it, this is fabulous. For me, it took me over a week to come to the conclusion I really did want to purchase it. I always wanted it, but I just didn't think I wanted to spend that much money until I got paid. So yeah, this is great. I also will say it has squalene in it and other skincare ingredients. Of course, Summer Fridays is known for their skincare, so I was just so excited to get my hands on this, and I do love it. I also decided to pick up my first Tower 28 cream blush. This one is called the Beach Please Office Hours blush, which is a very beautiful mauve tone. The blush is actually $20, which depending on the quality, it's going to be worth it or not. Of course, I haven't tried it out yet, as you guys can tell, but they did just drop this shade and I was very drawn to it. I love mauves, so I did pick it up. There's also this gorgeous pink one I really wanted to try, but I felt like this one would be the best since they did just drop the color and it would be better for the channel, you know? So I'm hoping it does live up to that hype. And then since we're already on the topic of Tower 28, they also dropped this gloss in the shade Sesame. It's their Shine On Milky Lip Jelly. I'm actually wearing a lip jelly right now in the shade Pistachio, which is gorgeous, but this is a beautiful mauve. I think it's the cutest thing that they dropped a blush and then also a gloss in a mauve tone at the same time. I think it would have been even cooler too if they would have put these in a kit and maybe gave you some money off if you wanted to buy both. I would have appreciated that since I did buy both. I'm so excited to try out both goodies. Also, this is kind of funny. I picked up the mini kit of the Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury lips. This is the lip liner, and of course this is the matte lipstick. So the funny thing about this, you guys, is that I thought I already purchased this. You guys may have seen it in a previous Sephora haul if you guys watch my hauls, but I actually had Pillow Talk medium, and I did a whole video testing out a dupe for that product, and I realized I got the wrong one. So I decided to pick up the OG Pillow Talk, and you guys, it's so stunning. I'm sure you guys have already seen it swatched before, and maybe a lot of you guys watching already own this, but I'm so happy to actually have this in my collection. This is what they swatch like, and I am obsessed. The kit is $25, and now I have both kits, the Pillow Talk Medium and also the Pillow Talk. I've heard some good things about the brand Kaja, but I never picked up any goodies of my own, so I got this duo that has two beautiful shades. It says limited edition, so I don't know if these shades already exist within Kaja's line. But we have the Gloss Shot in the shade Berry Slushy, which is a gorgeous like purpley tone, super pretty. It kind of reminds me of this gloss I have from Fenty Beauty called Savage Fenty. And then we have Pink Drink, which you guys already know kind of reminds me of Starbucks. I'm sure that's not the inspiration, but of course that's where my mind goes. Super pretty. It's like not focusing. There we go. And then this is my second purchase from Say Beauty, actually my third purchase. I have the concealer, I have the skin tint, and I think that's it. And then now we have the lip blur. So the lip blur is supposed to, I think, make your lip lines look really beautiful and blurred. And it's also supposed to be, I want to say hydrating, but at the same time, it is supposed to be very airbrushing. I don't know, you guys. I just briefly read over the claims, but that was when I first bought it, so I need a little refresher. But this one is in the shade Modern, which of course is like one of the most natural shades, like neutral shades that they do offer. My camera does not want to focus today. Like, girl. But the color is gorgeous. I feel like it's gonna be so pretty. I wanted to get some of the really intense bright shades as well, but I wanted to try a neutral shade just first because I feel like I'll get the most use out of this one. And did I already say the price? I think I did, but maybe not. It's $24. So I wanted to try it first before picking up more just to make sure I do really like it. Because like I told you guys earlier, I unfortunately don't have a store really close to me. So if I do want to bring something back and return it and exchange it, I can't do it as easy because when you do order off of their website, you have to like mail it back, which I'm lazy, so I don't like to always do that. But this is so pretty. I also really like the packaging with the purple and black. You guys know purple is my favorite color, so I think this packaging is likely my favorite for a product like this. So gorgeous. I think if I had my own brand, it would look something like this. And yeah, those were all of the lip products. I am most excited though about the House Labs. For sure, I need more colors like ASAP. And moving on to hair care, I love the K18 Biomimetic Hair Science Leave-In. This is amazing for my hair. It makes it so much smoother, so much bouncier, a little bit less frizzy, I feel like. I really do enjoy this product. I didn't mean to buy two, you guys. These are $29 each, so together this is like 60 bucks for these little tiny things, but I have to say I really love them. I feel like they work on my hair amazingly. Is amazingly even a word? You guys know what I mean. So good, so phenomenal. I cannot stand how good these products are, and this is what she looks like. Again, this is the mini size, which is $29. $29 for like this little thing seems ridiculous, but you only need a few pumps, and it's also one of those products where you do use consecutively for a few washes, and then after that you can use it like every 3 to 4 shampoos in place of your conditioner. I almost said concealer. So I do enjoy this, and I didn't mean to get two, but at least now when I do run out of this one, I'll have the other one and I won't have to worry. And then my phone just died, but I want to say this is $28, and this is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I am in love with this. I just ran out of mine, so I knew I had to restock it. There's not a lot to say other than if you're looking for something that is going to give you an intense shine to your hair, definitely think about adding this to your hair routine. I'm obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. You just spray it, like really coat it onto your hair once you get out the shower, and then you blow dry it, and it just looks so shiny, healthy, and beautiful. I can't stand how much I love this product either. It's amazing. And then I want to say off of memory, the Moroccan oil treatment oil is $34, which that's a lot for this, but I will say this lasts me like a year. I love this so much for adding back that softness to my hair. It also does make it really shiny, and I'm obsessed with the scent. I just ran out of mine because me and my girlfriend have been sharing it, but I love it so much. She does too, and I just will always probably repurchase this. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have recently bought new makeup products or beauty products in general and what you are liking or not so much liking. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good things, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!